Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. And today, we have an AirPod James and it's going to help us unbox another toy. But first, Baby Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Baby Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Baby Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Baby Shark. Mommy Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Mommy Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Mommy Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Mommy Shark. Daddy Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Daddy Shark. Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandma Shark. Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa Shark, do-do-do-do-do, Grandpa Shark. Hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt, do-do-do-do-do, let's go hunt. Yes, kids, today we are unboxing Ping Pong Baby Shark. Let's go. What do you think is inside, James?
It says includes one charm and one clip, 2 magnet cards, 2 sticker cards, and 1 mini. Let's open it up. Let's see. We've never unboxed one of these baby shark things.
Yes, today is our first baby shark.
Baby
unboxing.
shark unboxing on I Motivate for Kids. So let's see what's
inside. Oh, that's a poster.
That is the mini poster.
Nice.
Let's see. It is a poster, but it's a very big one.
Oh, wow. That's all the sharks. Woohoo! Nice. I love it.
I love it.
What else?
The second one we get.
That's a magnet.
Magnet.
Oh, that's so cute.
That's so cute. We get 2 magnets.
Awesome. Oh, I love this.
Which one is your favorite? I think this one is my favorite.
I love the octopus. What do you think? What do you like? Which one is your favorite? That's so cool.
The next one, there's 2 stickers.
Oh, wow. There's actually 8 different type of
8.
Yes. See, we count. 1, 2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, nice.
8
Oh,
stickers.
I love the stickers. And oh my gosh, this is so pretty.
Which one is this?
That is. So this is the charm and clip. Oh, wow.
This is exactly like a keychain.
Yeah, that's what I thought. It looked like a keychain to me.
Yeah. It looks exactly like a keychain.
I thought it was a keychain for a second. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love this. What do you think, James?
I really think this is one of the best unboxings we've done in a while.
I think so too. They're so nice. They have all this nice stuff. Now, children, for Anthony Robbins' quote today, it says, "We can change our lives. We can do, have, and be exactly what we wish." So, children, remember, if you want to be a doctor, if you want to be a lawyer, if you want to be a senator, a politician, you can change your lives. You can do it, you can have it, and be exactly what you wish. If you want to be an actor or actress, you can be an actor or actress. Whatever you put your mind to, children, you can be. Wow, I love that poster. Let's put together all the things we got today so we can show the children again.
We have, first of all, at least one of my favorites, the poster, the mini poster, the clip and charm, stickers,
Yeah.
and the magnets.
Children, this magnets you can actually use for schoolwork.
You could use it if you want to hang anything up on your refrigerator.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much, Alpha James. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel, it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.
Bye, Baby Shark.
Baby Shark. Do, 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 do.